Hello there friends, welcome to Tag and Tech channel. In this video, we are going to categorize the Instagram account post collection. So watch the video carefully until the end. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Let's go. Step 1, open Instagram and click your profile, click your menu account and click how you use Instagram. Okay, click save it and I can save it and you see my collection. For example, cars, outpost, home, baby. For example, add collection, next. For example, collection name, tick. What is it? You can also make a cover photo. Click change cover and you select your photo and video and select. What is it? Click add. Easy. Tick. For example, this is post, save it, collection, tech, private. Okay, very easy. Save it to tech collection. Please like the video and subscribe the channel Tech on Tech.